Nah. Kita gini ka? Kapet kan?
Sanitizer. Hiyo itashikia mzee.
Hebu fungueni hapa.
Just a sample.
Rabah. Sarabah.
Yes, nobody get out.
Sarabah. He wants to. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let's have some order. We want to start this brief event. Our party leader is here to receive campaign vehicles, and we are very happy that we have this kind of equipment that is going to bolster our communication. Well, without wasting time, I want to introduce to you Mr. Mike Rabar, who is accompanied by Mr. Bernard Odhiambo. And perhaps, Mike, you can say something? Yeah.
Your Excellency, good afternoon, everyone. This is just a token of our appreciation for the work you've done in the past, and the essence of this project is to ensure that wherever you go, you shall be heard very loud and clearly. Your message is very important to us and the people who support you. So please use this asset to really propagate your message far and wide. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Well, Mr. Molo has also come here to donate sanitizers and face masks that are going to help us as we go out to the field. Mr. Molo, karibu.
Your Excellency, thank you very much. And as our leader, and he's always been with us, donating sanitizers. We're in the middle of a pandemic. Sanitizers, face masks, and also will be at your service to offer any COVID testing free of charge for your team. And I will do this for 3 months and extend it maybe further as resources come by. Thank you very much and all the best.